Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing the packages I got from the previous week, and I also have a giveaway in today's video which I'm really excited about. So anyways, really quick before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And yeah, I'm excited to dive in, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the very first package actually came from Makeup Forever, and let's be honest, I was too excited, so I actually already opened this and I've already used it. They also are going to be doing a giveaway, so I'll give you guys those details here shortly. But anyways, whenever the box came, here's what it looked like inside, but it actually had the palette wrapped up in like this beautiful glitter black packaging. And oh my gosh, this is a brand new release from Makeup Forever. I feel like they're coming out with just so many things this year. They already relaunched all of their eyeshadows. They came out with a new eye primer and they're just killing it. But anyways, this is the Makeup Forever Starlit palette. And you guys, I'm gonna say this, the packaging, it doesn't do it justice online. This palette is so pretty. So here's what the front looks like, and then it has like the Makeup Forever like signature lips on it. And then on the back, I couldn't get this off. This is where they taped it. It has like little glitter pieces and it has all of the different names for each eyeshadow. So this is the Starlit Glitter Palette. So if you look it up online on Sephora, it's a limited edition eyeshadow palette with a breakthrough glitter formula featuring 6 sparkling prismatic shades ranging from radiant berries to brilliant bronzes. It's supposed to make your eyes pop, and I'm actually wearing it today on my eyes. I'm wearing the purple shade. I have to say, this palette is so easy to put on. So let's go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. Again, the packaging on this is just so pretty. Like the Starlit, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it just has like all kinds of specks of glitter in it. It is so beautiful. And then on the back side, again, it has those same little glitter flakes. So when you open it up, here's what it looks like. It is so gorgeous. And so it says Makeup Forever and then Starlit, and it has a nice size mirror. This would be really good for traveling. And then it has 6 different shades in it. So you have like a really pretty white shimmer, a berry, we have like a bronze, and then a darker bronze, a peach, and then a purple. And this one right here is the one I'm wearing on my eyes today. Okay, so here's a close-up of the palette. It is just so beautiful. Now we all know how everyone loves the Starlit powders. They're so beautiful, and they are just like a fine milled powder. So these are more pressed, and again, it is a new formula. So we're going to swatch all these shades. Again, I am wearing the shade Beam on my eyes. The first shade is going to be called Reflection. And this one again is like more of like a iridescent white shade, but it has like shifts of pink. It is so pretty. I don't even think, again, that this is going to be doing it justice on camera. This is so freaking beautiful. I really want to put this on my cheeks. We're going out for dinner. Hopefully this won't be too much, but we're going to do it. Okay, so I have a little bit on my brush. Like even just a little bit has already like totally intensified my glow. Wow. I need to blend this in a little bit. I'm going to just be blinding people at dinner tonight. So, oh my gosh, this is so freaking blinding, and it would be so pretty too. I could even probably put this on top of the purple glitter. Okay, so that is the first shade. It is called Reflection. It is so gorgeous. Let's do a close-up. So here's a close-up of that shade right there. This shade almost has like blue undertones in it. They're really pretty. And then let's swatch it on the hand. I cannot believe how just like creamy and finely milled these are, even though they're pressed. I just don't feel like swatches online do these justice. These are like beautiful. Here's an up close of those 2 swatched. Obviously you can see what the hype's about with this palette. So pretty. Okay, the next shade, I'm gonna use a different finger because that almost like stained my finger. Okay, the next shade is called Spark, and it's like a really pretty champagne shade. Not trying to flick you guys off or anything. There's that shade swatch. I really want to swatch this on the other side of my face. So let's wipe this brush off. So you really can do whatever you want with these. I cannot believe how freaking pigmented these are. Go in with a very light hand because you only need just a little bit. So that one again is called Spark. It's just like a champagne shade. Give you guys a close up of it right there. Okay, then we have Flame, and Flame is more of like a dark bronzy shade. I mean, look at that pigment. So pretty. That again is called Flame. There is up close and personal. Okay, this next shade is Flicker. It looks more like peachy cranberry in the pan, but when you actually swatch it on, yeah, it has more peach undertones, like orangey. Ooh. So there's that one, and that is called Flicker. The very last shade is called Beam, and that is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. It is a beautiful purple shade, and I don't really have a lot of room, so I'm gonna swatch it right here. But you can see it's just so gorgeous. Normally when I do Mail Haul Mondays, I don't use the products before I show them, but again, I was so excited. So if you guys have been looking at this palette, there are some palettes I feel like that have came out in the past that were all glitter palettes that I just wasn't that into. But with this one, I really like it because you have such a wide variety of shades. They are really easy to put on. Like I just put a little bit of Painterly Paint Pot on my eyes, swiped it across with a brush, and then bam, it was on there. There was no like fallout, and you guys will see that video later on this week, but I really like this palette. I think Makeup Forever did an amazing job on it. And then also, you guys, they did offer to do a giveaway, so I'm very excited about that. The rules, I'm gonna leave them linked down below, as well as like when it ends and everything, but all you have to do is make sure you're following me, make sure you're following Makeup Forever, and then comment on this video what your favorite Makeup Forever palette is, and then your Instagram handle. That way we can verify that you are following them. It is US only. Hopefully I can get another one of these palettes and include it in one of my future giveaways. But yeah, love this palette. It is so pretty, and thank you so much to Makeup Forever for sending it over. I don't even want to wipe this off my hands because it's so pretty. Okay, this next package came from Ofra Cosmetics, and they sent over a ton of goodies. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a swatch fest. So the first thing they sent over is the Feeling Myself highlighting palette, and I have been dying to get my hands on this. I've saw so many people show it on Instagram, and I think it's such a cute little travel palette too. So here is what the palette looks like, and then when you open it up, whoo, it has 3 beautiful shades, and they're all different shades too. It's not like they're all like super gold or they're all like pink. So here are the 3 shades. You get Blissful, Pillow Talk, and Rodeo Drive. So the first one, again, is called Blissful. Look how freaking pigmented that is. Then you have Pillow Talk, which is more of like a white highlight. And then the last one's Rodeo Drive, which is like a gold. It's a lighter gold shade. So there are those 3 swatch. I'm pretty sure these are some of their best-selling highlights. And then let's swatch them on the hand. I don't think I've tried Blissful, but this is gorgeous. And then we have Pillow Talk, which again is more of like a white shade. Look how pretty. And then the last one's Rodeo Drive, which is like a fan favorite. So there's that one swatch. This palette is so gorgeous. I'm not sure the retail value on this palette, but I do have a code with Ofra, so I'll leave all that down below. But I would definitely recommend checking this out. I love that they put like an actual highlight palette. And again, this would be really good for traveling as well because it's a really good travel size. Next thing they sent over are 2 different trio sets of their liquid lipsticks. Now I've used their liquid lipsticks in the past and I really like them. So let's see what we have. Okay, the first set is called the Espresso Lip Set. So the first shade that you have that comes in here is going to be Mocha. And this one's like a really pretty muted pink shade. So there's Mocha right there. I kind of want to put this on. Their liquid lipsticks are super comfortable. And it literally feels like you're not wearing any. You guys know I had to try lipstick on. I love swatching lipsticks in these videos. So that is Mocha. Next shade we have is called Amsterdam, and this one is more of like a purpley shade. So there is Amsterdam. It's almost like a purple gray shade. It has like a more gray undertone on it, but really pretty, especially like in the fall and winter. And then the next one we have is Milan, and this would be absolutely gorgeous for Valentine's Day coming up. It's almost like they're kind of moussey when they first go on, but then they dry super duper fast. So there is Milan. And then the next set is the Me, Myself, and I lip set. And again, here's what this looks like. These have more like pink shades in them. Okay, so the first shade we have is Mina. And this one is a really pretty like berry shade. This is right up my alley. Ooh, yes. It almost reminds me of like Rebel by MAC, like that kind of berry shade, but it's so, so pretty. Then we have Santa Ana, which is more of like a lighter pink shade. No, this one's more of like a medium tone pink shade. Really good for like every day. And then the very last one is called Unzipped. Another really pretty shade of pink. Oh, yes. Okay, this is me. That is my favorite one out of all of them. And again, that is called Unzipped. I cannot wait to rock these again. I do love the Ofra formula for liquid lipsticks. And then, ooh, okay. And then they also sent over a single shade, and this is the shade Duchess. This is like a baby pink, but it almost has like a purpley undertone in it. Oh my gosh, Ofra, I love all these shades. Okay, so gorgeous. If you guys have not tried their liquid lipstick, you are missing out. So there's that shade right there. So these two definitely are like my favorite picks because you guys know I love like pinky shades, but they're all those swatched. And then there is a close-up of all of those shades. And they honestly are like already dry. They dry so fast. Then they also sent over some single highlighters. They sent over Pillow Talk. The Pillow Talk is the one that's in that palette, so I'm not gonna open that one. And then I actually own Glazed Donut, so I will put these aside. I love Ofra highlighters too. And then the ones that I don't own, they have Blind the Haters. Ooh. This looks really pretty. It's super like bronzy. Look how gorgeous. So this one is called Blind the Haters. Oh my goodness, this would be so pretty, especially in the summertime. And let's see what that looks like. Wow. This is called Blind the Haters for a reason because it is blinding. And then the other one that they sent over is called Glow Goals. And you know what? I love this because in the packaging, they have this almost like little pillow, if you can see, and it's going to protect it from shattering when they send it to you. So again, this is called Glow Goals. I think this is going to be my favorite one. It is so pretty. And then, I'm not meaning to flick you guys off. Wow. They're so creamy and they're just like, they feel like butter. They blend into the skin. Like you can just keep on blending with your finger and then all of a sudden, like your whole entire hand is just nothing but highlight. Like they're so easy to blend. Oh, I love those. Thank you so much, Ofra. And then let's see here. They also sent over some skincare products, I believe. So we have the micellar water right here. They sent over a recharging facial toner. I love the packaging on these. It's like so sleek and clean. And then we have Cool as a Cucumber primer in one. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. I would love to compare this to the Smashbox one I use right now. And then they also have a brightening mask. So I will be testing these out. Let me know what you guys want to see tested. But again, thank you so much to Ofra Cosmetics for that package. Okay, next package we have came from Derma E. All right, so it says, sorry about the packaging, but it says, smile, you are beautiful. And it says, feel the love. It's a day of love, so be sure to give your skin the care it deserves. So this is an organic argan oil. Let's see what they sent over. Okay, so the two products they sent over, this one is a 3-in-1 hair protein serum to strengthen, smooth, and shine. And then the next thing they sent over is a Derma E organic argan oil blend for the skin, hair, and nails. So it's kind of like 3 uses in one. So thank you so much to Derma E for that package. And then the next package we have came from COVERGIRL, and it says, I am what I make up. Ooh, so this is the Vitalist Healthy Glow Makeup Collection. Oh, they sent over a ton of stuff. So here's what that looks like. So let's see what we have. We have the COVERGIRL Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. So let's put a little bit on the hand. This is like a really pretty shade too. It looks like it's going to be more like champagne-y. And this is just a lotion, it says. That looks really good. Look at those two hands side by side. So that is a lotion that they sent over. And then let's see what else we have. We have another one, but this one looks like it's a little bit darker for summertime. We have the COVERGIRL Look Lockup All Day Setting Spray. These are all like glow products. And then we have 2 different ELIXIR lip oils. So here's what these look like. You have like a berry and a pink. So let me know if you guys want to see these actually tested. I actually want to try these out. So let's try one of these on. They smell really good. So this one's just like a pink shade, and then you have a darker shade. And then we have 2 concealers that they sent over. I wish I would have known about this today in my first impressions because I didn't have any concealers to try out. So I'll be trying these in my next video for that. And then the last 2 things we have are, these are illuminating highlighters. So thank you so much to COVERGIRL for that package. And I can't wait to try everything out. Okay, next package we have is from e.l.f. And I actually got this a while back and I didn't realize that I hadn't unboxed it. Oh my gosh, this is so difficult without my scissors. Oh, there they are. I have so much stuff on my desk, you guys, you would not believe. Ooh! So they sent over some of their skincare items. Okay, so the first thing we have is the e.l.f. Charcoal Hydrogel Under Eye Mask. Then we have a Prep and Hydrate Balm, and it has purified water, shea, and vitamin E. And then we have this e.l.f. Beauty Shield, and this is a mask. Look how pretty the packaging is on this too. e.l.f. is really like stepping their game up. And then last thing we have is the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Sheet Mask. So thank you so much to e.l.f. for that package. The next thing we have is from Sky Organics. Ooh, okay, so this is the Bath Bomb Shower Steam and Bubble Cake. This is their monthly bubble box, I believe it's called. Oh my gosh, this month smells so good. They're all like pink and purple, which is very like a Valentine's Day themed. So thank you so much to Sky Organics for that package. Okay, you guys, so that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. They already relaunched all of... In today's video, we're going to be... No. I'm just not in... But my makeup education... No, I'm not going to say that. We have the COVERGIRL VITALIST Go Glow. So thank you much. And make sure to enter the Makeup Forever giveaway with the Starlit Powder. And make sure to enter the Makeup Forget... Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. With the Starlit Powder... With this... And then we have... And make sure that you don't forget to enter the giveaway. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.